In trauma, we're taught to save life first, then limb. But sometimes, the line between the two is measured in seconds.
What's the report?
Motorcyclist, high-speed collision. Severe right lower extremity injury with ongoing circulatory compromise.
Let's run the primary survey.
Dr. Atef, focus on that leg. The circulatory loss is the top priority.
Applying direct manual pressure to the source.
Pressure isn't stabilizing him. I'm escalating to a compression dressing.
Blood pressure is dropping. He's in class the shock.
It's not stopping.
Get me a tourniquet. Now.
Applying tourniquet proximal to the injury, as distal as possible. Tightening the windlass until all arterial bleeding has stopped.
Circulation is controlled. Nurse Chen, mark the time of application, please.
This left leg has severe swelling. No fractures palpable.
Assessing for pain on passive stretch of the affected muscle.
Pain out of proportion. That's a clinical diagnosis.
Pressure is 45.
He requires emergent surgical decompression.
Notify the OR. We have a traumatic near amputation for vascular assessment and an emergent fasciotomy.
Doctor, his urine is dark.
Myoglobin.
The crush injury is causing rhabdomyolysis. We must protect his kidneys. Increase the IV fluid rate and begin alkalinization.
Immobilize the joint above and below the fracture. This prevents further soft tissue injury.
We must document neurovascular status before and after every manipulation.
The decision was correct. The tourniquet was a life-saving measure.
One limb threatened by loss of circulation. The other threatened by the pressure of its own circulation.
The vascular surgeon will assess the right leg first. We'll start the fasciotomy on the left simultaneously.
The tourniquet saved his life. Now the surgeons will see if they can save his limb. In the end, the choice is always the same. Life over limb, every single time.